We are learning about the associative rule of addition. What is the associative rule? Here I have 4 cats and here I have another 3 cats. I can write this as an equation as 4 plus 3, and altogether I know that that makes 7. These parts in my equation are called the add-ins, and this is called the sum. The associative rule means that it doesn't matter which order I have my add-ins in, the sum will be the same. So if I change my cats so that there are 3 cats here, and there are 4 cats here, then my equation becomes 3 plus 4. I have moved my add-ins around, but the sum, what the equation equals, will still be the same. Let's have a look at another example. Here I have 3 dogs, and in this row I have 5 dogs, and in this row I have 2 dogs. So I'm going to write that as an equation. I have 3 plus 5 plus 2, and altogether I have 10 dogs. Now I've changed my dogs around. Now I have 5 dogs at the top, 2 dogs in the middle row, and 3 dogs in the bottom row. You can see that I've still got the number 3, I've still got the add-in 5, and I've still got the add-in 2. And my sum, my answer, is still the same. It doesn't matter which way I add those numbers together, I'm always going to get the answer 10. Now I have this big equation, 7 plus 9 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. I can use the associative rule to help me to work this out, because I can look for number bonds, because I know it doesn't matter which order I add these numbers in, the answer is still going to be the same. So I can put together 9 and 1 and make the number bond 10. I can also see that there is 7 and 3, and that makes the number bond 10. And then left over I have 4. So now my adding is much easier, because it's just a matter of going the 10 and the 10 plus the 4. It doesn't matter which order I add these numbers in, the answer is always going to equal 24. And let's look at one more example with harder numbers. So this time I've got 25 plus 11 plus 25 plus 19. Now I know that it doesn't matter what order these numbers go in, the answer is going to be the same, because that's the associative rule. So I can see that I've got a number bond here. I know that 25 plus 25 equals 50. And I also know that 11 and 19 will make 20. So I've changed my equation so that it is 25 plus 25 plus the 11 plus the 19. And altogether I know that that makes 70. So today you're going to use the associative rule to rearrange numbers to make the adding easier for you.